This is no ordinary butter. This is a paste that changes the taste of any dish. I always have it ready as a condiment or as a spread. I will peel 150 grams of garlic. I remove the germ with each clove of garlic so that the paste is not bitter and lasts longer. In the same way, I will clean all the garlic. I cleaned the garlic and now I need a blender. I add a teaspoon of salt. I add 1 tablespoon of oil. Juice of half a lemon. I add a little pepper. Half a teaspoon of granulated garlic for a more intense aroma. I will grind everything into a fine paste. This is what the garlic paste should look like. I will add 200 grams of butter, softened at room temperature. I add a teaspoon of dried rosemary. I will combine everything by hand. The butter and garlic paste should sit on the knife to be spread finely. I need a jar. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me. It's nice to know that we can see each other all over the world. Butter paste with garlic can be used as a spread on bread. I spread the paste on the bread. I coat the toasted chicken. I roast meat on it. And I coat the grilled meat while it's hot so that it melts. It is also good for potatoes, vegetables, and pasta. I keep the pasta in the fridge. It can last up to several months. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.